Just look at the size of this machine. This isn't an RV. This is a moving building. Standing next to it makes cars look like toys and people look microscopic. It doesn't roll down the road. It dominates it. At first glance, this looks like a normal RV. But wait, something about this feels wrong. This thing is way too big, way too powerful, and way too extreme to be legal. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why. Now here's where things get crazy. This RV isn't just big, it feels unfair. Unfair to traffic, unfair to normal campers, and honestly, unfair to anything that crosses its path. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a mobile fortress. To understand how massive this RV really is, compare it to everything around it. Cars disappear next to it, people shrink, and suddenly you realize this thing isn't designed to blend in. It's designed to stand above everything else. Every inch of this RV screams strength. Thick walls, heavy-duty panels, off-road tires that look ready for war zones. This isn't built for weekend camping. This is built for survival anywhere on Earth. And now, here's the real shocker. You'd expect the inside to feel cold and industrial, but the moment you step inside, everything changes. This is where brute force meets unexpected comfort.
This doesn't feel like an RV anymore. It feels like a modern apartment, one that just happens to be sitting on monster tires. There's space to relax, space to breathe, and enough room to forget you're even on the road.
This is where the RV becomes dangerous, in a good way. Because once you can cook, live, and function like this, you stop needing hotels. You stop needing cities. You start realizing you could stay out here forever. When night falls, this place transforms again. Quiet, private, comfortable. You're not sleeping in a vehicle. You're sleeping in a moving sanctuary, protected from the world outside. This RV isn't for everyone. It's for explorers, for people who don't ask for permission, for those who want total freedom without sacrificing comfort, safety, or power.
So now the question is this the ultimate RV, or is it simply too extreme for the road? One thing's for sure, once you've seen this, every other RV will feel small.